What causes a car's rear differential to go out? How much would it cost to fix it? A car's rear differential is critical as it allows the wheels to turn at different speeds, especially when cornering. When it goes out, you're in big trouble. Here are some common causes. 1. Lack of lubrication. The most common reason. Differential gears need lubrication to avoid friction. Without it, gears wear out quickly. 2. Improper maintenance. Periodic checks are essential. Not replacing fluid or using the wrong type can cause severe damage. 3. Heavy use. Towing heavy loads or a lot of high-torque driving leads to wear and tear over time. 4. Mechanical failure. Things like broken gears, worn bearings, or cracked housing will cause it to fail. 5. Contamination. Dirt, metal shavings, or other contaminants in the differential can damage the components. Cost to fix. The cost varies widely depending on the extent of the damage and your car model. Here's a rough breakdown. 1. Diagnostic cost, about $100, $200 to diagnose the issue. 2. Minor repairs. Replacing damaged parts like seals or bearings could be around $200, $500. 3. Major repairs. If the entire differential needs replacement, it can range from $1,500 to $4,000. Labor costs also play a significant role, so it's advisable to get multiple quotes. In a place like Portland, Oregon, you can find shops with varying prices, so shop around. Proper maintenance is key to preventing these issues. Regularly scheduled checks and fluid replacements will prolong the life of your differential. Trust me, it's worth the effort to avoid those high repair costs.